Guys, welcome to the BITSAT Aptitude class. I have made this class only to discuss those problems which BITSAT will ask in the Aptitude section. All the other parts in maths you already have covered till now, but this section is a bit new. So I have taken some 25 problems which has been asked in previous year BITSAT papers, and it will cover these kind of problems, these models: direction problems, series problems, letter problems, blood relation problems, age problems, counting rectangles or triangles problems, and missing figure problems. And all these problems will be in the same order only. And when you are watching this video, make sure you have your notebook with you. So each and every problem, first you try on your own, you pause the video, and then we'll discuss its key and the solution. Okay, then only guys will be beneficial for you. And at the end of the video, you can mention how many questions you were able to solve on your own correctly without looking into solution. Okay guys, so let us start now. First problem in the directions model. Six friends A, B, C, D, and E and F are sitting around a circular table facing the center of table. A is to the immediate left of E, B is to the immediate right of F, D is second to the left of F. A and C have equal number of persons between them from both the ends. Who is sitting between A and F? Pause the video, give it a try. Let us start discussion, guys. The correct answer here is B. It's option B only, that B is sitting between A and F. This is how it looks like. And I'll help you to solve this problem also. Let us see. First of all, this saying that they all are sitting facing towards center, and A is to the immediate left of E. So if I put E here, so facing towards center, so this will be its right, and this will be its left. And A is to the immediate left of E, so A must be sitting on this side. Okay, now just let us put them somewhere else for now. Now we have F. The saying D is uh, B is immediate right of F. So F is somewhere, and again facing towards center, so this will be its right, and B is to the immediate right, so this will be B here. And now D is second to the left of F. Now we have to see second to the left. Now first of all, what could be on the left of F? Can E be on the left of F? If I take E on the left of F, you see this side, if I take E on the left of F, then second left will be A, because E and A are together here. That means E cannot be on the left of F, so there must be something else on the left of F, then we'll have D. And if you see 5 position already have filled, so this position has to go to C only. And between A and C, we have 2 members here, 2 members here. So to satisfy all the conditions, so who is sitting between A and F? It is B only. So the answer is B. I hope it is clear, guys. Next problem. Next we have Preetham, Queen, Rani, Sachin, Tinu, Uri, Vineet, and Soham are sitting around the circular table. All are facing the center. Preetham is second to the right of Tinu, who is neighbor of Rani and Vineet. Sachin is not the neighbor of Preetham. Vineet is the neighbor of Uri. Queen is not between Sachin and Sohan. Sohan is not between Uri and Sachin, who is sitting immediate right to the Vineet. Options are given. Pause the video, give it a try. Let's start discussion now. The correct answer here is Tino. Okay, how do we get this thing? I'll explain here. I'll just do this thing again so get better idea. First of all, I'll just write them with the letters P, Q, R, Sachin, SA, then Tinu, Uri, Vineet, Sohan, SO. First information we have is Preetham is second to the right of Tinu. So if I take this is Tinu facing towards center, so this will be his right. So Preetham is second to the right, so this will be Preetham here. Okay, next. Next we have Tinu, who is a neighbor of Rani and Vineet. So if they are neighbors, so it could there are two possibilities. Either Rani will be here, Vineet will be here, or Vineet will be here and Rani will be here. But neighbors are Rani and Vineet only. That is for sure. Now Sachin is not the neighbor of Preetham. So if not neighbor of Preetham, it cannot be here or here. This place is already fixed. It could be Rani or Vineet only. So for Sachin, we have these three possibilities. So it could be here, here, or here. Next, this thing Vineet is neighbor of Uri. So Vineet already we know it could be Vineet could be sitting here or here. But this thing Vineet is neighbor of Uri. If I put Vineet here, then neighbors will be Tinu and Preetham only. So this case we can not take. So Vineet has to sit on the this place. Okay, so automatically then who was the Rani will go this side, and then this person on the this side of Vineet has to be Uri. So Sachin cannot be here. Next, Queen is not between Sachin and Sohan. Sohan is not between Uri and Sachin. Who is sitting immediate right to the Vineet? The thing is, they're asking finally who is sitting immediate right to Vineet. We already have the neighbors of Vineet, no? And if Vineet is facing this side, the right side will be Tinu and left side is Uri. They're asking who is sitting right to Vineet. So right to Vineet will be Tinu only. So final answer is Tinu. I hope it is clear, guys. Next problem. Third problem. Neeraj starts walking towards south. After walking 15 meters, he turns towards north. After walking 20 meters, the he should be he here, not the. He turns towards east and walks 10 meters. He then turns towards south and walks 5 meters. How far is he from his original position and in which direction? We have four options here. Pause the video, give it a try. Let us start discussion. Now, the correct answer for this problem is 10 meter towards east. For these kind of problems, you always just like we do it for XY axis. But instead of X and Y, you see this side, this will be east, this will be west, this is north, this is south. Okay, how do you remember this direction? You can just look at the India's map. You know this map of India. This this is east side, no? Bengal is in east. This is west side. Gujarat is in west. This is north. Jammu Kashmir is in north. And this is south. You see here Kerala, Tamil Nadu, everything is in south. So upward north, down south, right east, left west. Now you start from origin always. First you go 15 walking towards south. So south he walks how much? 15 meters. Let us say he reaches here. Then he turns towards north. So north will be just complete opposite now and walks 20 meters. So he will reach this call like 5 only ultimately because 15 he goes down, 20 he goes up. So net he goes 5 up. Now he turns towards east and walks 10 meters. So reaches here. He then turns towards south again. So down, walks 5 meters. So where does he reach? This point you can say 10 comma 0, no, which will be 10 meter towards east. I hope it is clear, guys. Next problem. Okay, next we have these series problems. Now these are challenging. So listen, select the number that is related to the third number in the same way as second number is related to the first number. So 19, 12, 23 watt. So pause the video, give it a try. Let's start discussion now. The correct answer here is 14. So 19, 12, 23 watts. See, the easiest thing you could think of is like we subtract 7. So if you subtract 7 here, you get 16, which is not in the options. So you have to look for something else. In these kind of problems, first always start with the easiest of the thing. Because there could be multiple things possible. So always which is the most obvious one, you look for that. So if that doesn't work out, then go for something else. In this problem, what you will see here is 19 and 12 could be written by this way also. Like I said, 12 is nothing but 19 plus 5 divided by 2. So you can see pattern here is, if I say x linked to y, it could be y equal to x plus 5 by 2. So using that, you get for 19 we get 12. So for 23 you will get 14. So correct answer is C. Next problem. Select the option in which the number are related in the same way as are in the following set. So 47, 56, 29. Whatever relation we have among these three numbers, same should be between the following. So you have to see which of the following triplet of number will follow the same pattern. What is here? The same relation. Pause the video, give it a try. Let us start discussion now. The correct answer here is D, 21, 30, and 3. And what is the pattern here that we see? You see these three numbers have their sum of digits is 11. So all three numbers, the sum of digits is 11. So out of these options, D will give you the same answer. Like here also sum of digits will be fixed. It will be 3, 3, 3. None of the other option will satisfy this thing. So the pattern here was sum of digits was constant. Okay, next guys. Select the number that is related to the third number in the same way as the second number is related to the first number. So 12, 36, 18 watt. Pause the video, give it a try. Let's start discussion now. The correct answer is D, 81. What are the pattern here? You can see if it is x linked to y, then y could be x by 2 whole square. You see 36 is 6 square. And we have 12 here, which was basically double of 6. So the easiest thing we see here is basically you would see that it's multiple of 3 also. 12 into 3 is 36. So 18 into 3 will be 54. But again, 54 is not in the option. So look for the easiest, but if that doesn't work, then you have to think something advanced then. The second thing I came across here was, you can say 36 is square of 6, which is exactly half of this. So similarly for 18, we can do half and then square, you get 81. Next problem, guys. Select the option in which the numbers are related in the same way as are the number of the following list: 29, 36, 39. Give it a try, guys. Let's start discussion. The correct answer here is A, 48, 52, 55. What are the logic here is, guys, this. You see the difference between them is 7 and then difference is 3. What is the relation here? The difference between, like, The difference here is difference of the digits here. So 29, the difference of digits is 7 that we add. 36, difference of digits is 3 that we add. So basically every time we are adding the difference of digits of that number. So if I see option A, here difference of digits is 4, so we add 4, we get 52. Here difference of digits is 3, we add 3, we get 55. None of the other option will satisfy that logic, so answer will be A only. Okay, so you might be feeling that how would we think of this thing and all in the exam. So what we are doing here right now is I'm trying to cover more and more model, like we discuss more and more problems on this model series problem, so that in the exam you could try like, okay, these were the possible scenarios that I came across while doing practice. So this 5, 6 problems we'll discuss on this model. So you can keep in mind that when you get this kind of problem, you can try these things because they might give something similar in the your exam also. Okay, next guys. Next we have again the sequence thing 14 289, 17 400, so 21 what? So what relation we have between 14 289, 17 400? The same relation 21 will have with which of the following numbers? Pause the video, give it a try. Let's start discussion. I think this was easy. You could easily figure out that these numbers are perfect squares. 289 is 17 square, 400 is 20 square. So easily the pattern is y equal to x plus 3 whole square. So for 21 you get 24 whole square, which will be 576. So option A will be correct. This was one of the easier problems. Next guys. Ninth one. This problem I have put in the YouTube short also. Which number will replace the question mark in the given series? 47, 51, 55, 63, 87. Okay, give it a try, guys. Let us start discussion. The correct answer here is 183. In the comments also, few people have answered. One guy I think was from 12th standard, Rakshan. He have answered correctly. See, what do we have here, guys? What is the pattern here? You see the difference between them is 4, here also 4, here is 8, here is 24. What is the logic here is, see, if you add these two and multiply by 1, we get this number. Then if you add these two and multiply by 2, you get this number. So next time you will add these two and multiply by 3, you get 96. So 87, and the difference with this number is 96, so this number must be 87 plus 96, that will be 183. So this was a very good problem. This pattern might not occur to you directly in the exam, but still you can see like this kind of thing they can also ask. So we add these two numbers, multiply with 1. Next, add these two numbers, multiply by 2. Then add these two numbers, multiply by 3, and so on. Okay, guys, next. Which number will replace the question mark in the given series? So series is 61, 73, 99, 141, 201. Pause the video, give it a try. Let's start discussion now. The correct answer here is option A, 281. I think this was not that difficult. Easily can see differences here 12, 26, 42, 60. You know, see differences here 14, 16, 18. So next has to be 20. So this is 60, difference 20 become 80. Now this is 201, difference is 80, so it will become 281. So answer is A only. So like just you can say this differences of differences are in AP. Okay, guys. Next one more. complete the series by replacing the question mark. We have G40, J9R, M20P, P43N, S90L. Pause the video, give it a try. Let us start discussion now. See, just focus the middle numbers for now. 4, 9, 20, 43, 90. The differences are 5, 11, 23, 47. What's the pattern here? See, the first 5 plus 6 will be 11. Next 11, 11 plus 12 will be 23. Next 23, 23 plus 24 will be 47. So for 47 will be 47 plus 48, which will be 95. So the difference here will be 95. So 90 plus 95 will be 185. So option B will be correct. No need to check the remaining thing. You can directly see the middle number has to be 185. So only one option will be there. Next one, guys. Find out the wrong number. So we have 2, 6, 12, 72, 865, 62208. Pause the video, give it a try. Let us start discussion now. Correct answer here is D only. How do we get that? See, guys. First of all, I just saw that 2 is like 1 into 2, 6 is 2 into 3, 12 is 3 into 4. But next is not in the same sequence. It is like, it's not 4 into 5. It basically is 8 into 9. But still we can say the first 4 numbers are product of 2 consecutive natural numbers. But 865 you will see is 5 into 173. So, and 173 I think is a prime number, so you won't be able to factorize it more. And 62208. Again, when you try to figure out, it will not be a product of 2 consecutive numbers, because for 2 consecutive numbers, no 2 consecutive digits will give you final digit to be 8. If you multiply any 2 consecutive numbers, the final digit will never be 8. So that consecutive digit product thing will not work out on last 2. So obviously that is not the thing. So what else could be a thing? You see, all the other numbers are even. Only 865 is odd. So we can say this, do like isolate that no from others. So answer will be is D only. That's all. You can just directly say all the other 5 numbers are even. This is the odd one out. Next one. Okay, so next we have some letter problems. So some sequence of letters they will give. So we have to figure them out. So pause the video and give this problem a try. Which letter cluster will replace the question mark? So we have KLIMC, JJFIX, IHCES, HFGJN. Let us start discussing, guys. In this kind of problem, it will be better if you just write all the digits at one place, like all the letters at one place. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, what kind of patterns will be here? See, always just match their first letters together first. You see K, J, I, H. K, J, I, H. These are their first letters. So the next letter, so we can say first letter of the next sequence must be G only. So, you know, K is for the first one. Next sequence starts from J. Next starts from I. Next starts from H. So next must start from G. But all the options like B, C, D has G, so we need to check the next letter also. Next letter here is L, then J, then H, then F. You see F. The next must be D only, no? Now we have like one letter between the two of the letters. So for L, we'll leave one letter and go to J. We'll leave one letter, go to H. We'll leave one letter, go to F. Then we'll leave one letter and go to D. So next letter has to be D only. So, but again, B, C, D all have D. Now go to the third letter. Third letter here is I. So I. Next is F, which is F. Next is C. So you can see that we are leaving two letters now between them. So I to F will leave two letters, F to C will leave two letters. So next is Z, again we leave two letters and go to Z. Then next again we leave two letters and go to W. So third letter has to be W, so the answer must be C option. Okay, these kind of patterns you can always see in these kind of problems. Next one, guys. In the following question, find the odd letters group from the given alternatives. So four options are there. You can pause the video, give it a try. Let us start this question now. You see, I'm just writing all of them in the simple, again, alphabetical order, A, B, C, D. But in the pairs of four, like in the sets of four only. So A, B, C, D, rest you can leave. Now I, J, K, L, rest you can leave. M, N, O, P, rest you can leave. U, V, W, X. Based upon the options. So now see, in all of them, if I just write them as the columns, you see in all of them, the first letter is this column, B, J, and V. B, J, and V. The next letter is from this column, A, I, M, U. A, I, M, U. The third letter is from this column, D, L, P, X. D, L, P, but this should have been X here, no? So D is the odd letter group here. I hope it is clear, guys. Next. Which letter cluster will replace question mark in the given series? ZKPE, BOVM, DSBU, FWHC. Okay, guys, let us start discussion now. The correct answer here is A, Hank. How do we see this thing? Same, that letters you have to see. First here is Z, B, D, F. So Z, after Z we can again start from A, we know. So we leave one letter and go to B. Again leave one letter, go to D. Again leave one letter, go to F. So next has to be from H. So our word will start from H only. The second letter K, O, S, W. So K, leave three letters O, leave three letters S, leave three letters W. So again we leave three letters and go to A. So first two letters are H and A, so it has to be option A. I hope it is clear, guys. Next. Next we have some blood relation problems. So I think P hash Q means P is brother of Q. P at Q means P is daughter of Q. P percentage Q means P is father of Q. P slash and Q means P is mother of Q. If A at B hash C slash and E at F percentage R. Okay, this you assume to be this only. There is some, I think, misprint here. So this you assume to be percentage. F percentage R. Then which of the following statement is correct? So pause the video, give it a try. Let us start discussion now. Correct answer here is B, A is cousin of E. Okay, first of all, just interpret all the data and using this thing. So first you get A is daughter of B, B is brother of C, C is mother of E, E is daughter of F, F is father of R. So start from here. A is daughter of B. So just kind of make this flow chart here. So B is here, A is the daughter of A. So A is daughter of B. We can say A is a girl. Do mention that their sex also, girl or boy. It will help you later. So A is daughter of B, and always write the children in the downward direction and father, mother in the upward direction. Okay, this will help you. And siblings or couples you write in the same line. So A is daughter of B. So we can say A is a girl, children of B. Next, B is brother of C. If B is brother of C, we can say B has to be a boy then. B is brother of C, so B has to be a boy and they'll be siblings. Now C is mother of E. If C is mother of E, C has to be a girl and mother of E. E is daughter of F, so E will be a girl, daughter of F means C and F will be couple and F will be a boy. And F is father of R also, that means C and F will have one more children, that is R, so E and R will be siblings. Okay, now what are they asking? C is brother of B, that will be C is brother of B, that will be wrong because C will be sister of B. C was a girl, see it matter here, no? A is cousin of E, that will be absolutely correct. A and E will be cousin because their parents are siblings. So answer will be B only, guys. Next problem. Again, same kind of thing, guys. Pause the video, give it a try. Let's start discussion now. Okay, first you interpret the data. We get P is sister of Q, Q is daughter of D, D is husband of K is daughter of S is husband of T. Again, same flow chart you have to make. P is sister of Q. So P and Q are siblings and P will be a girl right now. Q is daughter of D. So if Q is daughter of D, Q will also be a girl and D will be again parent. We don't know about the sex of D right now. But we can say D will be a parent of P also. Now D is husband of K, so now we can say D must be a boy and K must be a girl and they are a couple and their children are P and Q. Now K is daughter of S. Okay, K is daughter of S. So K will be children of S and S is husband of T. That means S will be a boy, T will be a girl, they are a couple and their children is K. So now you can see option, let's see which of the following option is not correct. So which will not be correct? The D is daughter-in-law of T. That is not correct. Because if you see D, D will be son-in-law of T, not daughter-in-law. Because D is a boy. Rest everything will be correct. Next, guys. Now some conclusions we have to draw from the given statements. We have this saying, read the statements and take the given statements to be true even if they seem to be at variance from commonly known facts. Okay, so whatever statements are given, you have to assume them to be true and then draw conclusions from there. So statement one is all Facebook or WhatsApp, some WhatsApp are Paytm, no Paytm is Telegram. Okay, you have to assume they are true. Now, these are the two conclusions someone has drawn. Some Telegram is a Facebook, some WhatsApp is not Telegram. Now you have to tell us, you have to tell that from these three statements, which are the following conclusions we can draw. Only one, only two, neither one or two, or both one or two. So pause the video, give it a try. Let us start discussion now. The correct answer here is B. Only two follows. See, all Facebook or WhatsApp, what you can just use is a Venn diagram. So make a circle for WhatsApp and they say all Facebook or WhatsApp. So the draw circle of Facebook, it will be completely within W. Okay, W for WhatsApp, F for Facebook. So this bigger circle is for WhatsApp, the smaller circle is for Facebook. Now saying some WhatsApp are Paytm. So some part of WhatsApp circle is common with some part of Paytm circle. Now this Paytm circle may or may not include F. So we have this liberty, we can take or not take because the given thing doesn't say anything about that. Third, no Paytm is Telegram. So now Telegram and Paytm doesn't have anything in common, but Telegram may or may not have anything common with WhatsApp. This is nothing given about that. Telegram may or may not have common with Facebook also. This is also not given from there. Now, first, I think some Telegram is Facebook. That we cannot say, no, like you can see here. Telegram and Facebook may not have anything in common. So from the given, we cannot make this conclusion that some Telegram will be Facebook. No, we cannot say that. Second, some WhatsApp is not Telegram. That must be true. Because whatever WhatsApp is common with Paytm, that must not be Telegram. So second conclusion we can draw that some WhatsApp will not be Telegram. So answer will be B option. Only two is correct. Okay, guys. Next problem. The product of ages, now just age problems and all. The product of ages of Anil and Vishnu is 240. If twice the age of Vishnu is more than Anil's age by 4 years, what was Vishnu's age 2 years ago? We have four options. You can pause and give it a try. Let us start discussion now. The correct answer here is A option, which is 10 year. This you can solve easily. Take Anil age to be small a, Vishnu to be small b, product is 240, and twice the age of Vishnu, that is 2b, is more than Anil's age by 4 years, so equal to a plus 4. So got two equation, we can find both the variables. What I have done here is rather than solving quadratic and all, if I multiply this first equation by 2 both side, we get 2b on the left side, which you can write as a plus 4, and right side will become 480. Now a has to be some natural number, so a into a plus 4 is 480. You can just try to find out what natural numbers will give product as 480, which are different, like which differ by 4. So 480 is 48 into 10, which will be 6 into 8 into 2 into 5, which will be 6 into 4 into 4 into 5. So 6 into 4 will be 24, 4 into 5 will be 20. So A has to be 20, B will become 12, and the same, what was Vishnu's age 2 years ago, so that will be 10. I hope it is clear, guys. Next. Question number 20. This thing, among 5 persons, P, Q, R, S, and T, T is older than P, Q is younger than T, S is older than R, P is older than S, but younger than Q. Who is the oldest among all? Pause and give it a try. See, guys, the correct answer is B option, that is T. What you can do here, guys, see, I'll just solve it again here, you get better idea then. See. First of all, they say that T is older than P. So some P is here, T is here. Now Q is younger than T. So Q can lie here or Q can lie here. Okay. So we cannot say for sure. Now the same next. S is older than R and P is older than R but younger than Q. So they have mentioned here that P is older than S but younger than Q. So if P is younger than Q, that means Q must be here only. Okay, so Q is younger than T, we have settled here. Next, S is older than R, but we don't know where is R. P is older than S. That means S must lie before P. And they have mentioned that S is older than R, so R must be the youngest of them. There were 5 persons only, so T has to be the oldest one. I hope it is clear, guys. Next. 21st. Now, this counting number of rectangles here. So this figure is given. You have to find number of rectangles you can find from here. So you can pause and give it a try. Let us start discussion now. The correct answer here is 18. Okay, how do we get this thing? See, guys. I made 5 cases here. I'll tell you what cases I made here. First, I'll just look into this section. How many rectangles we can draw in this section? See, guys, there are 2 vertical lines, so both have to be taken. But there are three horizontal lines, and out of these 3, we need just 2 lines only. So select any 2 lines, we get 3 rectangles in this section. Next, now I'll take this complete line, this full line, this full line. By taking these two full lines, we can draw only one rectangle, this one, just one here. Okay, by taking these two full lines. Now we come to this section. This whole section we can do in one go. So again, two vertical lines are there. We need to take both of them, and from horizontal we have 5. So out of this 5 horizontal, select any two, we get 5C2, which is 10. So we get 10 rectangles in this section. And do remember, when we are saying rectangle, squares will automatically come there. Now for this section again, this will be one rectangle, and this will be 3C2 again. Okay, same thing after this. So it will be 3, 1, 10, 1, 3, total will be 18. I hope it is clear, guys. Next. Now, how many triangles are there in this figure? You can give it a try. Let us start discussion now. Correct answer here is 17, which is B option. How do we get this thing? See, guys, I'll do part by part. First, I look for this section. In this section, guys, see, we have 3 vertical lines. Okay, 3 vertical lines and 2 horizontal. So out of 3 vertical, we need 2 verticals to select 3C2. Out of 2 horizontal, we need 1 horizontal, select 2C1. So 3C2 to select 2 vertical line out of 3, 2C1 to select 1 horizontal line out of 2. So 3C2 and 2C1, you get 6. So there will be 6 triangles in this section. You can count manually also, you get 6 only. Same way here also you get 6 only. Same logic you can use there also. It will be 3C2 into 2C1. It will be 6. Okay, so this done, this done. From here you can see like this. If I see this as a rectangle, so there'll be 2 triangles, one here, one here. So 2 of them. And then this small section here again. Now there are 3 vertical lines, select any one of them. So we select any 2 of them. Horizontal, we have only one line. So that only will take, from this horizontal, we will take any 2 of them. So 3C2 will be 3. So when you add them all, you get 17. I hope it is clear, guys. Next. The missing figure problem. So you can give it a try, guys. Let us start discussion. The correct answer here is B option. See, this is quite easy. See, in the first two, like in the top section, we have this some figure and its mirror image here, this side. So similarly, in the bottom section also, whatever figure you have here, take its mirror image. What will be its mirror image? This line here will go like this, and this here will come like this. So it has to be this and this, which is B option. I hope it is clear, guys. Next. Again, identify the missing part of the question. Pause and give it a try. Let us start discussion now. The correct answer here is C. I think this was quite easy. You can see just a circle you want. So this part must be this. And then just draw this line here and put 2 squares this side. So you can say C matches exact same thing. I hope it is clear, guys. Next. Select the figure that will replace the question mark. So there's 3 figures. So you have to identify the pattern and find the 4th one. Give it a try, guys. Let us start discussion. The correct answer here will be A. How? You can see that if you just focus on this symbol, it rotates 90-degree clockwise every time. So right now here, then here, then here. So next time will be here only. And if you see the other arrow, that also rotates 90-degree clockwise every time. First here, then here, then here. Next time should be here only. There has to be option A. I hope it is clear, guys. And that was our last problem. So that was question number 25. This I hope guys will give you idea how do we do different kind of problems. So in the exam, do look for similar kind of patterns there, and I hope this will help you in maximizing your score. Okay, guys, all the best for your BITSAT exam. Bye bye.